Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and log out of Pokemon unit switch. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into our video. And the one thing that I would like to let you know is that for the Pokemon unit, you can simply tap on the logout before signing and you can choose to log out easily. But for the Pokemon unit switches, you actually have to have a separate Nintendo account for each of Pokemon unit account that you acquire, and then you will be able to log out of it. So for that, all you have to do is access your Pokemon unit and simply have to afterwards simply access the settings of your account. Once you have accessed the account and profile settings, you will be able to see this kind of interface which lets you actually link your Nintendo account for that particular account. Once you have linked with your Nintendo account, then you will be able to access the logout switch for your particular account of your Pokemon unit, and you can choose to log out of it. Just have to remember that each of the accounts that you own in your Pokemon unit have to be linked with Nintendo account separately, and then you will be able to log out of it. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.